Subhash Chandra Bose, generally known as Netaji, respected leader, was very important and highly respected leaders of the Indian independence movement against the British rule in India. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa, in India. Bose was educated at Ravinshaw Collegiate School, Cuttack, Scottish Church College, Calcutta, and Fitzwilliam College at Cambridge University. In 1920, Bose took the Indian Civil Services entrance examination and was placed fourth with highest marks in English. He resigned from the prestigious Indian Civil Service and became active member in Indian independence movement. Bose was elected president of the Indian National Congress for two consecutive terms but resigned due to ideological difference with Gandhi. Over a span of 20 years, Bose was incarcerated 11 times by the British, either in India or in Rangoon. Bose married Emily Schenker, an Australian born national. They had one daughter, Anita, born in 1942. Bose became the president of the Haripura Indian National Congress in 1938 against Gandhi's wish. Gandhi commanded, Pattavi's defeat is my own defeat. Anyways, Subhash Bose is not an enemy of the country. Later, Bose himself resigned from the working committee. Bose formed Independence Party, the All Indian Forward Bloc. Bose advocated the approach that the political instability of wartime Britain should be taken advantage rather than wait until war ends. During World War time, Bose traveled to the Soviet Union, Germany, and Japan, seeking an alliance with the aim of attacking the British in India. In England, he exchanged ideas on the future of India with British Labour Party leaders and political thinkers like Lord Halifax, George Lansbury, Clement Attlee, Arthur Greenwood, Harold Lassick, and many people. It may also be recalled that it was during the regime of the Labour Party 1945 to 1951 with Attlee as the Prime Minister that India gained independence. Jai Hind or Glory to India was slogan used by him and later adopted by Government of India and Indian Armed Force. Officially, Bose died in a plane crash over Taiwan while flying to Tokyo. During 1956, Attlee, the PM of Britain, visited Calcutta. He said that role played by Netaji's army was paramount in India being granted independence.